Alright guys, welcome back to Hooking with Stubby. Sorry guys, I haven't posted in a while. On that last video with the Ford Festiva, we broke the phone camera mount and I switched trucks. So since the last time I posted, I have been working on getting new equipment. I've upgraded from recording on my phone. This is the last video that we recorded on my phone to recording with a GoPro Hero 8 Black and recording in 4K. So I just want to give you guys an update. I do have the cameras. I do have everything ready to go. I will be recording my next call, but business has been pretty good. I missed getting to record a accident that I went to. It was a rollover accident. Car was 25 feet off the road, laying on its side. I really wished I would have had my GoPros then, so that I could record that and showing you guys that footage. But I really just feel like I owe you guys kind of an explanation for why I haven't been posting. I didn't plan on that mount breaking. And as soon as it did, I went out, I ordered my GoPro, ordered a media mod, ordered a microphone, ordered a bunch of mounts. I had to order a new computer. The computer I had was fairly ancient. It would not record the 4K footage or run my editing software. But new videos are coming soon. Don't forget, hit the like button, hit that subscribe button. I've got a couple shirts that I've made. I'll put a link down in the description. But share it, and thank you guys for joining me. See y'all soon.